So guys, we came to Chechnya to test the limits modified version of a PKM submachine gun, specially made for us by Zdenivka Ltd, Russia's largest arms tuning manufacturer. But the gun we're gonna test today differs a lot from a standard well-known battle-fed machine guns of this type. This PKM received Picatinny rails that allow us to install anything we want on this weapon. Any scopes, any optics, anything, manually on battlefield without any additional instruments. And by the way, this weapon's got Russia's main laser marker. It's called Burst. It can be used on any machine guns, even on 50 BMG submachine guns. But the main feature of this PKM is its suppressor that makes a machine gun sound like a 9mm subsonic round. So let's bring it to a crash test and see how many 7.62x54 rounds this weapon with this suppressor can sustain in a row comparing to foreign weapons. We shot 688 rounds and only then this PKM died. It smells like burnt steel. The suppressor exploded once we shot around 200 rounds, and the battle decided it's time to stop the show once we shot around 700 rounds. Honestly, I believe we will give this gun half an hour, it will cool down, and we will be able to shoot a couple more rounds, as it's still operational. But the gun is done, and that's it for the day. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time.